Next, I want to show how we can use the calculator to solve number 1. So alpha is 0.10. I'm going to enter in the observed table into matrix A and make sure not to include the totals. And then I'm going to do the chi-square test. I'm going to press second matrix to get to the matrix menu, and then over to edit, and then select matrix A and press enter. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix because we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So enter in the observed values and then quit out, and then press stat, go over to tests, and then down to the chi-square test. So the observed is matrix A, the expected is matrix B, and we can press calculate. So chi-square is 5.11, which is consistent with what we found on number 1. And the p-value is 0.0238. So if we use the rejection region method, the picture would look like this. So chi-square is in the rejection region, which means we reject the null hypothesis. And this is consistent with what we found on number 1. If we use the p-value method, our picture looks like this, and the p-value is less than alpha. So again, we would reject the null hypothesis.